Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, students? Hope you are doing well at your home and taking care of yourself and your family during this pandemic. It is our fourth English text video lesson. In this lecture, we are going to make sentences of unit number 1, friendship and cooperation. Before this, I am going to ask you about the homework which I assigned you in the previous lecture. And what was the homework? To find out the meanings of given words and do book exercises. Exercise number 1, exercise 2, exercise 3, which was a true and false, and exercise 4, in which you will have to select the right answer. Okay, student, now I will show you how to start the work in your notebook. As you all have bought single line copy for English text, you will have to write here name and write your GR number, class and section. This is class 8 and your copy this is for English text, and you will have to write your branch name. For instance, Sayyidina Abu Bakr Siddiq रज़ियल्लाहु ताला अन्हु, या जो भी आपका ब्रांच नेम है आप उसको लिखेंगे. द फर्स्ट पेज यू हैव, दिस इज़ इंडेक्स एज यू ऑल हैव इन योर कॉपी. आपके सबके पास होगा. कैसे आप इस पर काम करना स्टार्ट करेंगे? दिस इज़ फॉर ये आपका एक एग्जाम्पल पेज मैंने बना दिया आपके लिए. यू विल हैव टू राइट हियर फर्स्ट टर्म, मेंशन द यूनिट नंबर 1 एंड इट्स नेम, फ्रेंडशिप एंड कोऑपरेशन. एंड योर फर्स्ट वर्क इज़ वर्ड्स इन मीनिंग्स था. आपको मैंने वर्ड्स मीनिंग दिए थे, होपफुली आपने फाइंड आउट कर लिए होंगे. आफ्टर द इंडेक्स यू विल हैव टू ऑन पेज नंबर 1 राइट फर्स्ट टर्म सेशन 2022-2021. ओके. On second page you will have to write unit number 1, friendship and cooperation. Okay. And turn the page of your notebook. You will have to copy down the English meanings and along with its Urdu meaning of the given words. आपको मैंने कुछ words दिए थे, 15 words, you remember. तो उन्हीं words के आपको English meanings along with its part of speech and Urdu meaning लिखने हैं. I am showing you how you will do the work. Make 5 columns. First is for serial numbers, second is for words, third a narrow column for part of speech, English meanings, and then for its Urdu meaning of the given word. First word, it was sympathetic, nature lovers, curious, wonder, dance, in vain, abandon. Eighth word is paralyzed, apologizing, whisper, embarrassed, extremely, beast, pretend, and the last word is danger. होप यू आपने सब ने कर लिए होंगे ये वर्ड्स अलॉन्ग विद इट्स इंग्लिश एंड उर्दू मीनिंग. स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम गिविंग यू अ नेक्स्ट टास्क फॉर यू. You will have to find out synonyms and antonyms from thesaurus. Okay, these are 15 words. Kindly note down. The first word is sympathetic, curious, dense, abandoned, paralyzed, whisper, danger, calm, angrily, silently, promise, active, expect, save, and the last word is embarrassed. So this is for today. This is your homework to find out, to look up for synonym antonyms of the given words. And now let's start with sentences. How sentences are made? Sentences are made up of words. More specifically, you can say that they are made up of parts of speech, and you need to learn how to combine them. Students, sentences जो है आपको पता है, it's a combination of words का combination होता है, और part of speech, different part of speech से मिलकर एक sentence बनता है, और आपको बस उसको combine करने का तरीका आना चाहिए, method आना चाहिए कि how to combine. जो जर्नल स्ट्रक्चर है सेंटेंस का, आई हैव रिटन ऑन द वाइट बोर्ड. आई हैव मैंशन दैट इज सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. What is its subject? A subject, a simple sentence has a subject, Subject can be a noun or a pronoun. It can be a name of a person, place, or anything. And then it is followed by a verb. And verb, what is in verb? It can be dynamic or stative. Dynamic means action verb, and stative means condition or states verb. And then we have object. Object can be a noun, pronoun, or a phrase, an adverb phrase, an adjective phrase, or a noun phrase, whatever. So let's come to the first sentence, first word, that is sympathetic. Sympathetic, the part of speech of sympathetic is adjective. The meaning is kind to someone who is sad or hurt, यानी हमदर्द को कहते हैं sympathetic. What can be a sentence? एक एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंस मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. I will tell you 2 or 3 sentences at least of each word, but you will have to make your own sentence. Try to make your own sentence by following the given structure: subject, verb, and object. First word sympathetic is, my friend was very sympathetic when I was sick. I followed the same structure. Subject, what is the subject here? My friend. Was is a stative verb, and now we have that word sympathetic and other details of a sentence. Okay, the next example, another example of word sympathetic, it could be people find the doctors quite sympathetic. It can be a sentence. Another sentence, she doesn't find her colleagues a very sympathetic person. Okay, now come to the second word. The second word is curious. Curious, the part of speech is adjective, and the meaning is wanted to know, eager to learn, यानी बेचैन होना, मुतजस्सिस होना, किसी चीज़ के बारे में जानने के लिए की ख्वाहिश करना. अब इसका सेंटेंस क्या हो सकता है? एग्जाम्पल सेंटेंस कैन बी, I am curious to find out new things. Okay. Yeah, another sentence can be, children are curious about everything around them. Now we have a third word, dense. Dense is adjective, and the meaning of dense is thick. Urdu meaning is ghana. The sentence of dense is, the mountain area is entirely covered in dense forest. The mountain area is entirely covered in dense forest. The next example sentence of dense is, dense smoke is coming out from the chimneys of factories. Now we have a next word, the fourth one, abandon. Abandon, the meaning, the part of speech of abandon is verb, and the meaning is to leave. किसी जगह को छोड़ देना, किसी जगह को आप छोड़ के चले जाना. This is called abandon. So the example sentence of abandon is, the captain of the ship ordered to abandon the ship. The next sentence could be, her mother abandoned her at an early age. Another example sentence, the snowstorm forced many visitors to abandon the hill station. Now we have a fifth word, that is paralyzed. The part of speech of paralyzed is adjective. It can be a verb, and the meaning is unable to move, यानी चलने के काबिल नहीं होना या हरकत करने के काबिल नहीं होना. And this example sentence is, he became paralyzed after 40 years. The second is, the accident left her paralyzed from the waist. Another example, the man was paralyzed with fright या with fear. खौफ से जो है वो क्या हो गया? Paralyzed हो गया, मफलूज हो गया. तो this I have done for you, the first 5 sentences for you, and the remaining words are whisper, danger, calm, angrily, silently. I tell you the meaning of whisper. Whisper means सरगोशी करना, to say something slowly in air. डेंजर का मतलब होता है खतरा. डेंजर, खतरा, रिस्क. काम मीन्स क्वाइट, एंड एंग्रीली मीन्स हार्शली, यानी बहुत गुस्से से। साइलेंटली का मतलब होता है खामोशी से, क्वाइटली। And these are the words that you can make the sentences of these words easily in your notebook. Kindly note down all these 10 words. This is your homework for today. आपका homework है ये आज के लिए. The first homework is find out the synonyms and antonyms of given words as I shown you before, and do complete. And other is do complete sentences. As I told you, there are 10 words. आपको ये 10 words के sentences बनाने हैं. 5 sentences, 5 words I have done for you, and the remaining 5 sentences you will do it by yourself. Make your own sentences. Inshallah Taala, hopefully you will complete your work on time, and we will meet you in the next class. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.